Hello and welcome to OnceHub tutorial. My name is Ayman. I'm part of the OnceHub support team. In this video, we will learn about the time frame preference settings on your booking calendars. Suppose you're a financial advisor using OnceHub. Now you'd want to control or dictate how far into the future your clients can schedule with you. You can do this by customizing the time frame preference settings on your booking calendar. So to do this, let's log into our OnceHub account, go to the booking calendars, select our choice of booking calendar, go to time frame preferences. Here you can either do it by a sliding window or by allowing a certain number of days to be available. For the first option, you can select the calendar days. This means that each day on the calendar will be considered regardless if it's a weekend or if you're unavailable on that particular day. The other option is the bookable days. This means that this will only count the days in which you are available. For example, let's select the lead time to be 60 days. This means that if clients come and schedule with you on this particular booking calendar, they will only see 60 days of availability. Beyond this, no other time slots will be shown. Let's select by date range. For example, you are a financial advisor and you would want to send a meeting link in advance to your clients to book a quarterly review in September. You would want to only be available on the month of September for this particular booking calendar. For this, you select the by date range and you select only September to be available. So let's select 1st September and the ending date to be 30th September. This means that anyone or any client who comes up and tries to schedule a meeting on this particular booking calendar, they will only see September as available. After this, we go to the lead time. Lead time helps you to prepare for your meetings by providing you some notice time before the meeting. This also ensures that you don't get certain meetings wherein you have to travel to different locations in between the meetings, or you're not fully prepared for the meeting. For example, let's select the lead time to be 1 day. You can also select it to be any number of minutes or any number of hours as well. Now, since we selected 1 day as the lead time, this means that your clients can only see available time slots after 24 hours from the current time of the booking. We save this and all these settings will be saved. I hope the time frame preference settings were clear with this video. If you have any questions or any query, please reach out to us at support@oncehub.com. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a very good day.